The answer is yes, it's impacted food access. I think the question is, has it impacted food access equitably for folks that have financial resources? Like those types of apps make things very accessible, and like the price tag sort of bump that may come with them, or like delivery charges, tips, those types of things aren't a problem. So in that case, absolutely increasing access. The question is, does it on the flip side increase access for folks that are really struggling and are experiencing low incomes, they're experiencing food insecurity? And I think the jury is not fully out on that. I think there's probably a lot of research that's currently being done, but like a student on my team and I work together on a project. And so I work with the Twin Cities Mobile Market as one of my research partners, and they're amazing. And so they're pricing their foods, and they kind of wanted to know, like, where are they relative to other stores? And we also then had an online component of like, if we went to the same four sort of major retailers, what would it cost in the online world? And like the costs were higher, and like there was like a delivery fee and there were tips. And so like, even if you're like part of their members, there's like all of these extra costs that are sort of baked into that. And like one of the stores that we were pricing at actually like had a big upcharge. And so like their in-store purchases were actually quite reasonable and like kind of on par with the Twin Cities Mobile Market. But then if you actually needed it like to be picked up or delivered, you all of a sudden had like a 20% increase in the price of that same cart. And so I think it's a great question. I think it could be leveraged, and there could be ways in which like that could solve a lot of food access issues. I think we still have to think about rural areas in creative ways, just because like I know food access is very different in rural communities than it is in urban areas.